Here on the Transparent FX Academy, every day I give you my best market breakdowns, showing you how you can be looking to analyze the market both from a technical and in order flow perspective to identify the best trading opportunities in the Forex market. So without further ado, let's jump straight to the charts and see which is today's Forex pair. Okay, so let's make a full breakdown of the situation that we currently have on silver. Now, why do I want to speak about silver? Because at the moment we do have quite interesting price action and structure for a potential opportunity. So as usual, I will be performing a complete multi-time frame top-down analysis, starting from the higher time frames and then going down on the lower ones. And as usual, we will also check what we have from a COT perspective. So basically commitment of traders, which is what hedge funds, so the non-commercials in the market, are doing. And by the end of the video, by using the combination of these two different types of analysis, we will try to understand where we have the highest probabilities for a potential trading opportunity on the pair and actually on the commodity. Now, starting here from the monthly time frame, what do we have? Now here in the monthly, we have a market which has just provided a triple top. In fact, from here the market had started all this move to the downside. Once again, the market here tested and rejected its zone to the downside. And one last time, as we're currently speaking, the market is rejecting this very strong resistance to the downside. However, at the same time, we can also see how the market has been creating higher lows. In fact, from here the market started this move to the upside, again here, tested and rejected. And once again, we can see how the market has been testing this ascending trend line, and we can expect the market to get rejected to the upside. So here in the monthly, everything seems quite bullish, and we can expect the market to provide more continuation to the upside, since we do have an ascending trend line with the creation of higher lows and equal highs. Going down on the weekly time frame, what do we have? Now here in the weekly, we can see that in all this impulse to the upside, there is one candle which is not related to the move, which is exactly this red candle here. And as we're testing this very strong demand and support, there is definitely the possibility to see the market provide a rejection to the upside. We can also see how the market has provided this overextended M pattern, after which we do expect the market to provide a rejection to the upside to complete the pattern itself at this previous support turned resistance. So monthly and weekly are both indicating for a potential rejection to the upside. Just a quick thing, make sure that you leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and also let me know in the comments the topic for the next video that you will like. Going down on the daily time frame, what do we have? Now here in the daily time frame, we can see that the market at the moment is moving inside of a horizontal accumulation phase. Now, when you see a move like this, strong impulse to the downside, and then the market starts moving sideways, this is usually an accumulation, after which you do expect a rejection to the upside. Specifically, we can see that the market, in providing this move to the downside, has also printed an overextended M pattern, after which we do expect the market to provide a correction at least to the 0.32 of the Fibonacci taken on this daily impulse. So overall, we want to see this market provide a correction at least to this 0.32 of the Fibonacci taken on the daily impulse. Now, if we go and see what we have from a COT perspective, so commitment of traders, which is basically what hedge funds, so the non-commercials in the market, are doing, we can see how lately net positions have been increased. In fact, we went from having 28.9k net positions all the way up to having 39.8k net positions, with 73k longs and only 33k shorts. So silver has been getting quite bullish also from a COT perspective. So how we can be approaching a potential longing opportunity on it. So what we will be doing with students is, as usual, being reactive and not predictive. The monthly, weekly, and daily time frames, those are the best time frames from a directional perspective. But when it comes to confirmations and entries, the best time frames are the 4-hour and the other intraday time frames. So with students, we will be monitoring price actions from a 4-hour perspective and lower during this move to the downside, and we will be waiting for the market to shift from an intraday bearish market, as we will have, to an intraday bullish market. And as soon as the market will shift from an intraday bearish to an intraday bullish market, at that point, we will be adding silver to our watch list. And as soon as the market will provide to us one of our valid entries, we will be taking a nice long with a good risk to reward and good probabilities at that point for the move to the upside and for the market to retrace at least to the 0.32 of the Fibonacci taken on the daily impulse. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you smash that like and comment below. It really does support the creation of more free analysis education and updates for all of you. You can also go and check out the mentorship program. The link is in the description. It's a very complete program. First, you learn all the rules of my rule-based strategies. Then you trade the strategies with me. Every day you get the new daily market breakdown showing you how to apply the strategies with the entries, stops, and take profits. And you can also ask questions and get the answer the same day with the Q&A session. So it's a very complete program. I really suggest that you go and check it out. The link is in the description, and I will see you in my next video.